Tipu Sultan's armory was built around 1797 to securely store gunpowder and weapons. The building measures about 40 feet long by 30 feet deep, and its foundation extends far down beneath the surface of the ground. Because its walls are 4 feet thick, the armory weighs more than 1,000 tons. However, it must be relocated to make room for new railway tracks passing through, which will cut 30 minutes off the travel time from Mysore to Bengaluru, but no company in India has ever moved anything like this before. After several years, they learned about a company that can do it. Wolfe House Building Movers in the United States has moved many buildings, even heavier ones and much larger, and for this project, they will team up with an Indian company, PSL Engineering of New Delhi, under the supervision of Southwestern Railway to complete the project. But why was Wolfe House Building Movers selected for the job? Wolfe has done thousands of moves and many lifts, and they work hard to do every job safely, professionally, within budget, with deadlines met, and with reasonable competitive pricing. But how can they relocate such a heavy building? Just watch. First, workers from India remove loads and loads of soil from around the building so they can work right up against the heavy foundation walls. When a small crew from Wolfe House Building Movers arrives, the crews work together. Using diamond-tipped saws, they cut openings in the foundation walls through which they will slide the huge steel transport beams. In crisscross fashion, they stack up piles of wooden crib to support the heavy steel main beams. The crews cut more holes, smaller ones, through the thick, strong walls for the insertion of the cross beams. Next, they shim above all the beams so they are tight up against the masonry structure. It can then be lifted evenly with no part of it settling. Using concrete blocks, they temporarily fill in the doorways and arches to integrate the walls and to prevent any shifting or cracking. The Wolfe House Building Movers crew uses their unified jacking machine with 37 of their hydraulic jacks to lift the structure. They raise the 1,000-ton armory 6 inches at a time and place the heavy steel beams beneath it. They carefully position their heavy-duty 25-ton and 50-ton rolling XY skates on each long slider beam and lower down onto them the cross beams and the heavy armory they are supporting. Now they can incrementally shift the structure toward its new location. To roll the skates, they use their special push rams, long horizontal hydraulic jacks on all the slider beams. The rams are synchronized, so they all push together in unison, rolling the structure about 3 feet at a time. After shifting the armory approximately 300 feet, they again support it on piles of heavy wood crib and reposition the beams and rollers to shift the building 100 feet in a different direction to its final location. When the historic structure is directly over its target, it remains on the supporting beams while a sturdy new foundation is finished. Tipu Sultan's armory is now safe in its new location. The second railway can soon be completed, and trains will be speeding past the armory on their new tracks. Congratulations to all persons and parties who helped in this exciting project.